Are you a young professional or an empty nester looking for more of that urban lifestyle? Well, today we are in Plano, Texas. We're going to show you a townhouse by Kay Hovnanian, so stay tuned.
I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right here in the heart of Plano, Texas. In fact, we are just off of Preston Road and headquarters. So, I mean, we're within a mile or two of all the headquarters, all the corporations, all that Frisco, Plano action that's going on. And
in fact, we can see McAfee from here. So.
Yeah, McAfee is literally across the street. So, if you're a young professional or maybe an empty nester looking for kind of that more urban lifestyle, more of that carefree, where you don't have to have a big yard and take all that yard maintenance and do all that stuff, then this may be a great option for you.
Oh, yeah.
The housing that we're going to tour, this is anywhere from 1,400 to 2,400 square feet, and the prices range just in the high threes to low fives.
Yeah, and some of them have elevators, and some, so you can. There's quite a few options for what you like.
Yeah, some of them have reverse floor plans, which you have the kitchen and all that stuff on the second or third floor, and vice versa. So they've got like several different options and plans. If this is your first time on our channel, though, we are local real estate agents here in North Texas, and we do 3 videos a week on what it's like to live, work, and play right here. And today we are in Plano, Texas. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're alerted every time we do a video.
And don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
All right, so let's get into this tour.
Yeah, let's show them this one.
All right.
Perfect.
All right, guys, so like I said, we are going to get in here and tour one of these models. This is for those empty nesters or young professionals looking for kind of that urban lifestyle right here in North Texas, which is really hard to find, but it's coming more and more popular right here in Plano. So let's go have a look. As you walk in, you walk right into your living area as well as kitchen. Now you're going to have your 2-car garage is going to be right here. You've got double ovens, high profile appliances, which are really cool, but just like a cool architecture that you just don't see in a single family. Look at the windows. It's almost like that garage look, right? You know, I really like it. But all these cabinets, you've got island grade cabinetry, big stainless steel farm sink, and all the details are just really nice. K-Hub does an incredible job, with all their homes. Even if they do not only this townhouse style, but they're really known for their single family. In here, you've got a powder bath. Right? So no trekking upstairs for those quick potty breaks. So let's go upstairs. Now, we're up on the 2nd level. Like Patrice mentioned, this particular model doesn't have the elevator option, but if you do want an elevator option, especially for those empty nesters, they're anywhere about $38,000, generally speaking, to do it. Sometimes they run some specials though. But check this out. You've got, essentially, this is a 3-bedroom. You've got your master over here. Let me sneak in here. This is your washer and dryer utility area. All right, let's get into the master bedroom. I love all the 3 windows. That's in lots of light. You've got a king size bed. And then the master bath You got a good size shower. And the closet is pretty good size too. You got bedroom number 2. Just your standard kind of bedroom. It shares bath with bedroom number 3 or office. But what's nice is you've got a balcony off of the off of this. Right? So you can kind of see the urban lifestyle. Right across is McAfee, and that is Preston Road, which is a major north-south road that goes straight into from Oklahoma right down to downtown Dallas. So now let's go to the 3rd level. Check this out. Here we are, 3rd level. Now they've got a foosball, which is Patrice's favorite. They've got a bathroom, so you're not trekking downstairs. Wet bar. And look at this patio area. Right here in the heart of Plano, Texas. Like I said, when you talk about location, you don't get any better if you're looking for that urban lifestyle than right here. This has got everything that you need. You can fit one of those plug-and-play spas, those hot tubs. Do whatever you want up here. Patrice, take a look at that panoramic. There's plenty of hiking trails, all sorts of running activities. In fact, there's a runner right there doing his daily jog. So there's all sorts of things. This is a very healthy lifestyle right here in the heart of Plano.
So we hope you've enjoyed this tour of this K. Hovnanian townhouse. And don't forget to give us a call, text, or email, whatever you got to do to get a hold of us. And hit that bell and that subscribe button so you are aware anytime we do a new video.
And don't forget to hit that dream home form as well so we know exactly what you're looking for.
That's right.
And so until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.